Every animal-shaped biscuit begins with carefully harvested wheat. The harvested grain now begins its journey toward production. Fresh golden wheat is collected and prepared for processing. Measured sugar will bring the biscuits their familiar sweetness. Inside the mill, wheat is transformed into smooth, refined flour. Carefully selected vegetable oil helps create a smooth biscuit texture. Milk powder and flavors add character to animal-shaped biscuits. Approved ingredients are safely stored inside the factory warehouse.
Before production begins, every ingredient passes careful quality checks.
Each ingredient is precisely measured for consistent biscuit batches.
Everything is ready for the animal-shaped biscuit production process.
The measured ingredients now travel toward the production line. Fresh production ingredients arrive at the factory.
Every incoming batch is carefully received and verified.
Labels, seals, and batches are checked before storage. Approved ingredients are unloaded with controlled handling.
The approved materials move into organized factory storage.
Approved ingredients now move into controlled factory storage.
Now the ingredients are ready for controlled production.
Every ingredient receives its designated storage position.
Refined flour is transferred into the production system.
Measured sugar is prepared for the upcoming biscuit batch. Liquid ingredients are carefully routed toward production.
The carefully prepared ingredients now enter production. With everything prepared, the factory is ready for production.
Every worker prepares carefully before entering production.
Beyond these doors, the real transformation begins. Strict hygiene keeps the biscuit production environment clean.
Operators monitor every stage with precise controls.
The measured ingredients now enter the mixing system.
The production line comes alive, ready to make animal-shaped biscuits. Refined flour forms the foundation of the biscuit dough.
Each dry ingredient joins the carefully measured biscuit mixture.
Vegetable oil brings smoothness to the developing dough. Carefully measured water brings the dough together.
The mixer develops the dough into a smooth, workable consistency. The ingredients finally become smooth biscuit dough.
Its consistency is checked before the final kneading cycle.
The final mixing cycle creates an even biscuit dough.
The finished dough rests briefly before shaping begins.
Now the rested dough moves toward the shaping line.
The dough is flattened into a precise sheet. Precision rollers bring the dough to its required thickness. The first rollers create an even foundation for shaping.
A light flour layer keeps the sheet moving cleanly. The final calibration prepares the dough for animal shapes.
Perfect alignment keeps every animal-shaped biscuit consistent.
Now the dough reaches the heart of the shaping process. Here, the flat dough becomes recognizable animal shapes. Detailed lion shapes emerge with every precise cut. Bear-shaped biscuits take form beside the moving line. Rabbit shapes join the growing collection of biscuits. Different animal shapes now move together toward the next stage. Usable dough is returned for efficient production.
Excess dough is separated without disturbing the animal shapes.
Each shape is checked before entering the oven. A smooth surface helps create an even finished biscuit.
The shaped biscuits are now ready for baking.
The shaped biscuits now enter the controlled baking oven.
Controlled heat slowly begins transforming the biscuit dough.
The familiar golden color develops across every shape.
Heat transforms soft dough into firm, golden biscuits.
Fresh from the oven, the biscuits begin cooling.
Controlled airflow gradually brings the biscuits to processing temperature.
Temperature is monitored before the biscuits continue forward.
The cooling system carefully stabilizes every freshly baked biscuit.
Fully cooled biscuits now enter the inspection line.
Final cooling prepares the biscuits for automated inspection.
Now every animal-shaped biscuit faces detailed automated inspection. Automated conveyors keep every biscuit perfectly spaced. The system recognizes each animal shape automatically. High-speed cameras inspect every biscuit in motion.
Each biscuit is measured for accurate size and consistency.
Precision weighing confirms consistent biscuit portions.
Their surfaces are checked for defects and uneven baking. Only biscuits meeting strict standards continue forward. Rejected pieces are separated, while approved biscuits continue.
Damaged biscuits are automatically removed from production.
Approved biscuits are organized into precise production rows. The approved biscuits are counted and grouped automatically. A final vision check confirms the complete biscuit quality.
With inspection complete, the biscuits move toward finishing.
A precise flavor layer enhances every animal-shaped biscuit. Approved biscuits now enter their final finishing stage. The biscuits continue through carefully controlled finishing stages. Controlled movement creates an even finish across every shape.
A delicate sugar layer adds the finishing sweetness.
Every finished surface receives one final visual check.
The approved biscuits continue toward their final finishing stages.
Every critical quality check is cleared before packaging. Quality approved, the biscuits enter their final packaging stage.
Each pack receives a precisely counted biscuit portion.
Printed packaging film forms around every biscuit portion. Each sealed pack is separated and checked before boxing. Secure seals protect every freshly packed biscuit portion. Finished packs are grouped into cartons for distribution.
Packed biscuits are palletized and moved into finished storage.
And this is how animal-shaped biscuits are produced from start to finish.